Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the display's native resolution and refresh rate so you know the target. This matters because scaling loses clarity. Once confirmed, update your GPU drivers. Installing the latest ensures support for higher modes and bug fixes. Next, swap to a high bandwidth cable, DisplayPort or HDMI 2.0+ avoids bottlenecks. Make sure the monitor input and GPU port match and set the monitor to its native input. Doing these initial steps prevents wasted effort later. Once the prerequisites are in place, open the OS display settings and select the native resolution and highest supported refresh rate. This yields the sharpest image. If that exact mode is absent, use your GPU control panel to create a custom resolution. Specify horizontal, vertical pixels, and timing parameters. Test the mode. Also enable GPU scaling or choose display-based scaling to prevent the driver from smoothing pixels. Make sure to reboot or reapply settings so the monitor and GPU negotiate the new mode. To finalize, verify color depth and set scaling to 100%. Higher scaling blurs text. Use the monitor's OSD to disable sharpening, dynamic contrast, or image processing features that degrade native clarity. Once done, calibrate brightness and color briefly so the image looks balanced. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Swap the cable or reduce the refresh rate to the monitor's proven mode. And if needed, roll back the GPU driver. These steps usually restore a stable, crisp resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.